let's talk LED work lights. This particular one is a 2-pack sent to me by the seller to test out, and I'm glad they did because as you can see, I am currently in a construction zone right now and I need a little bit more light when I am finishing my drywall work. So I'm going to open up the box, put it together, and show you what it's about. Let's begin. And that's how simple it was to assemble these work lights. Now let's break it down. First off, there's 2 of them, which is cool. It's going to give you more light in an area that you're going to need it in. The unit itself is made out of aluminum. It's pretty much lightweight and it collapses for easy transporting. The top has a foam handle, so that way you could use it to move it around, or you could hit the button in the back and then remove the top portion to make it easily accessible for you if you're going into an attic, a basement, a crawl space, anywhere where you're going to need a light. You can just place it down and now you have instant light. Then all you need to do is just place it back onto the stand and it'll click back into place. Now, each light is independent, so it can move pretty much in 180 degrees and then of course 360 left to right. On the back, you're going to have a button right here, and then that's going to turn it on. And lastly, it has a long enough cord. So if you don't have an extension cord, you should be able to reach an outlet wherever you are working. So let's plug it in and see how bright these are. Whew. And that's bright. Let's turn this around while I talk. So these lights are 80 watts LED and they are safe to touch. If you do rub up against them, they're not going to get super hot. And again, all you have to do, you could use one at a time. You could use both at a time if you want, and you just simply hit the back of the button to click it off. Really great product. I'm super impressed about how bright they are, and they're going to help me out finish my construction jobs when I am doing drywall, or if I'm in a place that has limited electric lights and I need to see. These are my go-to work lights and I can't wait to use them. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these products. Go out, grab yours today. Thanks again for watching and good luck for your next project.